Welcome back to Gagne Farms. I'm Candace. I'm in the kitchen today to carry on an age-old tradition of making Christmas cookies. I'm going to make two recipes today. The first recipe is going to be an icebox cookie, and the second is a raisin pinwheel cookie. These recipes come from my great-grandma. The pinwheel cookie is actually one of my dad's favorites, so I'm really excited to make that one. I'm making these Christmas cookies a little bit early to take to a bake sale at work. This bake sale is going to raise money for those in need in the community. Let's get to baking! The icebox cookie dough is all rolled up and it's in the refrigerator to cool overnight. Now we're going to move into making some raisin pinwheel cookies. First we'll make the outside dough, which will roll out. Then we have to make the filling, which goes into it, and then roll those up to cool for the night also. leave all the dough in the refrigerator to cool overnight. Tomorrow we just need to cut it up and bake it. We're back for day 2 of cookie making. Today is baking day. The dough is sat in the refrigerator overnight and I'm gonna take it out, cut it up. Gotta preheat that oven to 375 and we will bake it on a lightly greased cookie sheet for 8 to 10 minutes. The oven's preheated. I'm gonna put the cookies in there for about 8 to 10 minutes. Now I'm going to cut up the Icebox Cookies, put them on the sheet, and put them in the oven. These are going to go in the oven at 375 for 5 to 7 minutes. All right, our last batch is done, coming out of the oven. Our baking weekend here on Gagne Farms is over. These look delicious and I can't wait to take them to work. I'm glad they'll get used for a good cause. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you on the next one.